Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to Makeup Monday. Today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to achieve a super easy smoky brown eye using 3 eyeshadows. The steps are easy and this is super beginner friendly, so let's go ahead and get started. As always, starting with bare lids. Hi, hello there. I have absolutely not even foundation on my lids, so we're going to start with priming them. Today I am going to use the Revolution Pro Eye Elements Core Eye Primer. If you guys are familiar with the MAC Painterly Paint Pot, this is literally a dupe. These are a little bit more on the dry, thicker, full coverage side, but honestly, these are bomb.com. So now what we're going to do is start with our palette. This palette is by the brand Red Aspen. This is their Fulfilled palette. Red Aspen is actually a female-founded social selling beauty brand. This is what the inside looks like. It's full of pinks and mauves and browns and bronzy shades. They also sell nail dashes, false lashes, as well as other cruelty-free beauty products. So I will have their website linked down below so you guys can definitely check them out. And a huge thank you to Red Aspen for partnering up with me in today's video. Starting with the first shade, I took the shade Home, which is a rich dark brown. Oh my god, these colors are so pigmented, so creamy, and they seriously blend so easily. We're going to pack that into the crease. This is the first shade that we are laying down to kind of get that smokiness effects going on. I really like to work in steps and with different undertones because sometimes a certain shade of brown, it's not what you think. So we are starting to pack that with our Morphe brush and we are going to eventually work up. Now I'm going to go in with my trusty little Vera Mona color switch, and all I'm going to do is blend that shade into the crease. You don't want to have too much product because then you might blend up too much or you might make it a little bit muddy, so make sure that you clean off your brush a little bit. And then we're going to switch brushes. Now we're going to dig into our second shade. This one is the color Purpose. Wow, this color is so pretty, you guys. It's a really pretty rich caramel shade. This one is going to be pretty much our last transitional shade. This is what's going to create that beautiful effect from that dark deep brown to the lightest brown, which is exactly what you want, so you can get that beautiful gradient effect. I do switch brushes. You guys will see that in all of my videos because I like to work in steps and I like to go back and make sure that the colors are intense. So now I did switch to a different brush and I went back with the shade Home and I re-intensified the color. You will lose a lot of pigment as you are blending. This tends to happen a lot. Just make sure you go back and reapply the colors. And then I'm taking a big Morphe fluffy blending brush and just blending the edges to make sure that there are no harsh lines. I did decide to wing out this look because I haven't done a winged out look in a while. And when you're doing a smoky eye, like this is so cute. It just looks so bomb. So now I'm going to take this Carity liquid lipstick, and honestly any shade that you have, I would even skip this step because you actually don't need it. The next shade that I'm going to lay down is so creamy and pigmented on its own. This is in the shade Dream. I don't know if you guys could tell, but it has just the most beautiful subtle sparkles, and it kind of goes away when you apply it, but you can still see it when you shift your eyes. So I did pack that on just on the lid. You don't want to bring this color up too high. Again, you don't want to create a muddy look. And then I'm going to go back with a little bit of Home and make sure that I blend that into the crease as well. You just want to work with your colors. But honestly, this 3-step smoky eye is so easy to achieve, and all you gotta do is make sure that you're spending your time blending. Now I'm going to take the ColourPop Cream Gel Eyeliner. This is a brown one. You can do a black or you can do a nude, but since we're sticking with a brown smoky eye, I wanted to stick with the brown theme and apply that. So I went back and smudged the eyeliner and then took the shade Home and again just smoked out the lower lash line to create that really pretty smoky effect. And I also took a little bit of Purpose and blended that out so we can match the top lid of the eyes. Now I'm going to take the shade Bliss, and you guys will see my reaction right here. Like, Whoa, I was not expecting the pigment. This is so rich. You can use it as a highlight if you're lighter skin. This one is a little too light for me, but as an inner corner highlight, oh my god, I think this has become my favorite inner corner highlight. It is just stunning and blinding. I couldn't get over how beautiful it was. Now I'm going to take the red Aspen Luxe False Lashes. These are in the style Ericka. Oh my gosh, you guys, these are so comfortable. The band is so thin and it's so flexible, so easy to use. You can reuse these as long as you take care of them. So pop on your favorite lashes, but these lashes are definitely a must. So that is it for this easy 3-step smoky brown eye, beginner friendly. I hope you guys enjoy it. Don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching.